Welcome to part 3 of how to build a solar plant watering system with Arduino. In this video we will plug everything together on our test circuit board, and we will connect the Arduino with our solar power manager. We will also connect the solar panel with our solar power manager to reload the battery. After that we will do some code optimization for saving power. So let's start with the first step and plug everything together. So one first change I did is to set the measuring interval to 5 hours. So this is the first change, and also I extracted the code for the e-paper and the water pump control to separate header files. So include them here at the top, and then you can just call the functions like before. And you can see that I added a watchdog timer. This is because my whole setup was taking too much power. So I measured with a multimeter that it takes about 30 milliamperes to constantly run the whole system, and this is way too much for our small battery we have. So I started to do some code optimization with the watchdog timer, and you can find the code here in this header file. And basically this just sets the Arduino Nano into a sleep mode for 8 seconds. 8 seconds is the highest number you can set it to sleep mode, and then it will wake up again. But if my interval isn't met, then I will just set it to sleep again. You can have a look at the code or Google this. I just copied this code from some example I found online. So if you go to the main file again, then you can see that I also changed the way how we check our interval, because the millis function will not work in the sleep mode, so it will not count when the Arduino Nano is sleeping. So I have to add the values by myself, and I added the seconds now to our value, which we will check. Then I send the Arduino to sleep again, and then everything starts again. And here's our interval check, and if the interval is met, then I will reset our timer. Also, we will have to wait 1 second so the paper can update its values. Otherwise, the hardware is slower than the sleep modes will start. So this is why I wait a second here. And this works okay. With this setup, I can only save a little bit of power. So in the next video, I will show you how we can reduce the Arduino or our setup power consumption to only 7.5 milliamperes when, of course, when no water pump is running and no sensors will be measured. So stay tuned, and if you have questions, just let me know in the comments, and then see you in the next video.